Hey guys, Scott with Heritage Farms, Texas. Well, here we are, Saturday morning. We're back at it. But this time in North Texas on June 19th, or is today the 20th? Not sure. Anyway, we have rain. We had little showers come through overnight. We had some morning showers. If I had to guess, I think we probably got 3/4 of an inch, and it's a nice, like 70 degrees. Well, what are we working on today? Thought you might like to see the view from the New Holland 5060. What's that up front? Well, it is a new used squeeze chute. That's right. So we're getting picked up a WW Livestock System squeeze chute with a palpation cage. It's got the butterfly door on the back, self-catching gate up front. You know, squeeze chutes are kind of like everything else, man. What used to be a couple of $1,000, now they're 6, 7, 8. And now if you get hydraulic ones, you're talking 12, 14, 15. Just really crazy. So the local livestock place, if you're ever over in Paris, Texas, big country, great guys to work with over there. Go see Shane, tell him Scott sent you. But he sells a lot of the high-end cattle equipment, hydraulic chutes, and you know, he takes trade-ins on some of it, or he'll help the guys do some consignment and sell their old chute from time to time. And I came across this one. Just got lucky. It showed up. I showed up at the same time and was able to work a deal on it. So I'm kind of excited to have it. And we're going to take it down to the property we call Telephone 2. And this is all about that infrastructure. We've been sharing a squeeze chute with my brother-in-law. The only problem with it is that we have no conflicts over scheduling or anything. That's been great. The only problem is it's, you know, 5 miles down the road, and when you have to go get it, you have to put it on a trailer, get the wheels on it, hook up. It takes 2 hours to move the chute, and when you're only working weekends and you need a chute, or if you have a cow that's sick or injured or needs a shot, you need that squeeze chute ready to go, on site, functional. And I just don't have the time to chase equipment. And so anyway, came across this. This is just getting back to our long-term plans, which is to have infrastructure in place everywhere. What we're going to do today, long-term, I'm going to actually pour a concrete pad and put a cover over it, lean-to, if you will, just so we're out of the sun, and if it's sprinkling or something that we need to work cattle, we'll be out of the elements. But today, what we're going to do is we're going to put it in place so that if I need to use it, I can. But we're going to set it on concrete blocks. I came down here a little bit earlier, made the grade on the place, cleaned it up a little bit on where I'm going to set it, and now we're taking it down there. I'm moving really slow, and because I just got the big pallet forks on here. Don't have a lot of ground clearance, man. My tractor, the lift on the arms was barely enough to get it about a foot off the ground, so I'm really watching to make sure I don't hit any bumps and everything. But hey, once we get it set in place, we'll give you an update. Thanks. Okay guys, well, here is the squeeze chute once it's set in place. So this is our telephone 2 property, and really I wanted to put it on a concrete slab, but for right now, for the time being, I didn't have the time, and I want to put a concrete slab, put a cover over the top, just not enough time in the day. So what we did, we set it on these house trailer blocks. They're 4-inch by 18 squares. Got those, and it's a pretty nice chute, man. It's got your palpation cage on it. It's got your butterfly rear door. Once again, this thing has been used before, but that's okay. I like it that it has a forward control, so if you're at the front of the chute, you can operate it. You got your squeeze function up at the top, your individual gates you can open or close. You also have removable side panels. The top one folds down, the bottom one removes if you need to do anything on that. You got your safety latch or your emergency door on the other side. Here's your mechanism right here where you can actually move this thing in or out. So one thing nice about WW chutes is the self-catch feature. And you can basically set this thing like this, and when the cow comes through the chute, puts her head through, her shoulders hit and latch, it automatically catches. So once again, new chute for me, used for somebody else, but for what I need here at this remote location, absolutely perfect. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it educational, fun, entertaining. Leave me a comment. What do you think? Will it work? I don't know. It looks pretty good though. I'm kind of happy with it. Hey guys, thanks a lot. Please hit the subscribe button. Leave us a comment. Love to hear from you. Thanks.